Welcome back. We are back at the Pottsboro Vacation Home, and I want to show you today something that a lot of us struggle with, and that's the landing space at the top of our stairs. Sometimes they're a little bit smaller, sometimes they're a little bit bigger like this, but all of our clients say, what the heck do we do with these spaces? And oftentimes my response is, there is actually no purpose to these spaces. So then what do? What we tell them is, we're just gonna create a purpose and we're gonna run with it, because creating a purpose is better than it having no purpose at all or being an empty space. So up here, we gave it two different special niches, two different special moments. And so the first kind of moment is this lounge space. We love this little space, and all it is a rug, a chair, and a little side table. And then if you want to put some art and a lamp. This is a great space that we told our clients, hey, if you're entertaining a lot, someone can just come up here, sit, read. They can overlook the entire lake house, and it's a great moment. So we created a purpose for this space. On the other side, we wanted to give just a small little work area, because we all work from home these days. So we knew that this was going to be a purpose that anybody could use, whether they're having guests or whether they're here working at home in this vacation house. And so it's just, again, it's all it is a desk and a chair, and it gave this entire space a purpose. So when you walk up those stairs, it's not empty, it's not forgotten. It looks really well designed, really well intentioned, and it also doesn't cost a lot to fill these spaces properly.